Okay. Welcome to Villa Feliciana. Yan. Yan po mga wall painting na yan ay gawa po lahat ni Kuya Renan by his hands. Ito po ang kanyang ginagawa ngayon. Sunflower. Yan ang kanyang mga gamit. This is Kuya Renan. Hi Kuya Renan.
Hello, hi.
Gaano katagal ka na nagpe-paint?
17 pa lang po, nagpa-paint na ako eh.
Wow, talagang talented na.
Kaya lang may putol. Kayo po kasi yung napapasok
Oh,
sa baho.
kahit napuputol, talent is a talent. Yan, po ang kanya mga wallpaper. Hindi wall painting. Ang gaganda. Simple yet unique.
Sir, how much you charge for wall paint? Depends sa how
He's a daily
Like for this, how much you charge?
That's his work.
7 to 8,000. Okay. And how about this painting? Depends. Pagka marami po siyang
Kulay.
details,
Yeah, because we've got to advertise.
8,000. 10,000.
And
Yeah.
how long does it take you to make a painting?
Pagpakiyaw, saglit lang muna siya. Kasi